Alright, so for this lesson, we're going to learn how to find the equation of a straight line. So generally, how do we express the equation of a straight line? Equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, where m is the gradient. Right? Remember I told you the gradient is just, the formula of a gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? And c, okay, is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where the straight line cuts the y-axis. Okay, you can actually read it off the graph. Okay, so let's say if they give you a point. Okay, let me write the question down. Find the equation of the straight line, okay, that passes through A, which is 0, 8, and has a gradient of 2. Okay, so in order for you to find the equation of a straight line, you need to know two things. You need to know a point through which it passes through, the line passes through, and you need to know the gradient. And if you've got these two, all the questions will be very simple. Okay, now let me show you. Now if y is equals to mx plus c, and we know the gradient here is 2, so we do substitution, we perform simple substitution. So at 0, 8, okay, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 8, so you perform substitution again. 2, okay, times 0 plus c. So you can see that c eventually works out to 8, which is your y-intercept. Therefore, the equation of this straight line is y is equals to 2x plus 8. Okay, so this is what we have here that I think you should take note of. Alright. Okay, maybe another example would seal your understanding. Okay, so let me just write the question here. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the origin and has a gradient of 3. Okay, so now the origin is 0, 0. When x is equals, origin is, okay, if you got the y-axis, you got the x-axis here, this is the origin. Alright, so it's 0, 0. Okay, when x equals 0, y is equals 0. So all you need, okay, to do this is, okay, write down y equals to mx plus c, the general expression of a straight line. Okay, and you know the gradient is 3, so y equals to 3x plus c, and you know that it passes through point the coordinate 0, 0. So when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 0. So you perform substitution like that, and you know c is equals to 0. So c doesn't exist. It doesn't. It only cuts through the y-axis at 0. Okay, so you can express it as y is equals to 3x. That's it. Okay, or another way you can do it. Okay, you can use the formula, the gradient formula, to help you to solve, to get the equation of straight line. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y, let y2 be y. Okay, let y2 be y and x2 be x. Okay, so what you get is y minus 0 over x minus 0 equals to your gradient, and your gradient is what? 3. So we know that y over x equals to 3 and y is equals to 3x. So this is another way through which you can get the equation of a straight line.